guys, welcome back to another video. We actually got a battery for the TTR 125. Cheap battery off eBay, nothing crazy. We're gonna install the battery right now and I don't know, maybe get it running better, because it does kind of like bog out and everything. But yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do right now. So yeah, stay tuned. But yeah, battery just comes like this. Same battery I use for every single bike that I get. Pretty easy to install and all. Alright, now we got it on. So everything's done. Let's see if the electric start works. Let's see why it wouldn't. Well, the bike runs, but looks like the carburetor is gonna need to be cleaned or at least something done to it. So I guess that'll be the next thing on our list tomorrow. And then we gotta change the oil. All right, guys, so we just split the carburetor out here. In the bowl, you can see gas isn't looking too good. Kind of old. You can see a little stuff in there. So we're just gonna come out here, dump them all out. Really get a good look inside this carburetor. You see all that gunk inside there? It's probably all inside the jets, which are right here. So yeah, I guess we'll just take out the pilot jet, main jet, see what they're cooking up in there. Float bowl should be half decent. So float bowl's fine, just that's the main jet. There's the pilot jet. I have no idea what that's for, but we'll see. Stay tuned. So we took out the main jet and the pilot jet out of the carburetor, and it didn't want to idle good, so I'm really focusing up on the pilot jet. And as you can see, there's a tiny hole, and so we're gonna have to clean out the pilot jet real nicely. Alrighty, boys. So basically, this TTR is like extremely clapped or something. It doesn't want to start it. Like, I've done it to the extent where the battery is almost dead. So yeah, that sounds great. But I'll catch y'all tomorrow. You know, fresh day. We'll get it all figured out, hopefully. Might research a little bit tonight, see what's up with these TTRs. Might be something else. KX100 is up for sale right now. $2,300 if you want to buy it. Has a whole lot of parts on it. FMF shorty, FMF fatty, pro taper bars, MA grips. I don't know why, but it has a rental bar pad. Doesn't really matter though. Roostem X graphics kit, Dunlop tires, IMS foot pegs, which are extra wide and they're really, really sharp. You do not want to hit your foot on that. Other than that, this bike's mint. Like this, just listen to that throttle. Oh yeah, it's minty mint. But yeah, guys, 110 is going tomorrow. Potentially. I'm gonna make a couple dollars off of it. Christmas time's coming up. See if she still runs. Runs like a dream. Headlight works. Everything's good. 230. I don't know what's up with this bike. It runs, just we never ride it, so we'll see what's up with that. But yeah, guys, peace.